Kundalini and freedom from ADHD. ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Since it is connected to attention, it is directly connected to your depletion in attentive power. And attention happens from your consciousness and your brain. If you are not able to pay attention, then understand that you have some brain and neurological issues which is connected to your depletion of white and grey matter in the brain. In energetic terms, I can give you clarity. It is called ojas. Loss of ojas leads to depletion of attention span and the power to give and pay attention and focus or concentrate on anything. If you look at your habits and patterns, you will find that you are addicted to social media, you spend too much of screen time and you have no purpose in life towards which you should flow. So the direct solution to be free from attention deficit hyperactivity syndrome is get out of your house and get access to nature. Walk in nature with mouth exhalation, and I will show you a little demonstration by walking around, and you should find a place which is actually an uneven terrain. Why uneven terrain? Because you have to pay attention in the present to walk to such places. For example, you cannot be unattentive or walk in patterns when you are walking in such terrains. So I will just show you a demonstration. This is extremely uneven. When I am walking, you should do mouth exhalation, and mouth exhalation should be till the highest exhalation. This means that your belly should go inside when you are exhaling completely. So complete exhalation and a little hiking will do. So I will hike around this place, and you too can do such hikes with mouth exhalation. After doing this kind of hiking, my sweating is coming and I am feeling energetic, and also I am more attentive. This was just a demonstration, but you have to see actual results. You have to hike about 20 minutes to 30 minutes in such area zone and do the natural functions of life. Soak in sunlight as much as possible. Sunlight is extremely important to improve the quality of ojas of your brain. The white and grey matter in your brain that is rejuvenated due to oxygenation, and oxygenation happens when vasodilation happens. Vasodilation happens when you get access to prana, when you get access to movement, when you get access to sunlight directly, when you get access to wind and natural resources and forces. Your ADHD will be totally healed in 100 days of such activities. And if you are living in a city and you don't have access to such places, then my advice is, if you have suffered enough in your Kundalini journey, then get out of your city, take a break of 100 days, go to a mountain. If you are able to come to the Himalayas, then it is the best. If not, then to the Alps, or if not, then any mountain in your country which is giving you access to this fresh air. So do this for 100 days and you will be free from your ADHD problems. Alright, have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.